Watch how quick I dust this guy. Hey brother, you left me in your dust. That thing's cute. What if I just said that? Did I just honk? Was that me? I should go up there and be like, that's cute. Cute, hey, cute bike. That'd be a good first bike. Say something like that. I think that was me that honked. It's really embarrassing. Inadvertently following this guy. Yeah, bleep that sucker. He's probably doing the same thing I'm doing. Just going down the main street to cruise the bricks. The difference is I can't hear my scooter at all. With my earplugs in, I can't hear this thing for a lick. Whatever that means. A puppy. What if I crash in front of all those people? Oh my god, it'd be so embarrassing. I get embarrassed, but it doesn't like hang with me anymore. Like if I do something silly, it's embarrassing, but like I don't like lose sleep overnight.
A few inches later.
It's not that riding without a helmet feels dangerous, because I don't think it does. It just is more dangerous. There are just things outside of your control. Why wouldn't you want to minimize those? So, you know. Whoops a daisy. Wasn't paying attention. Roll the clips back. Did he have his blinker on? I'll do one take if it's a yes. Oh, he did have his blinker on. I'm an idiot. I should have thought of that. And then let's do another take in case it's a no. Oh, that's stupid idiot. He shouldn't have done that. Alright, that's how you go. That's how you edit. Well, this guy's got a fucking GoPro on, man. Hey, puppy. I wonder if people know I'm looking at their dogs and not them. Take your time. Are they playing poker? There's Lewis and Clark. Actual size, they're a lot bigger back then. They ate more potatoes or something. Oh, that thing looks like a lamb. Are you a lamba? I do pronounce my B's. I don't actually. That was a lie. I can't believe everything on the internet. Just goes to show you. Never know when I'm lying to you. It's a puppy. It's a puppy. Is the pier open? Gotta get some pier pics. Oh yeah, pier is open for play. Open for play. Look at that. Beautiful. Take some pictures with my new Pixel. Hell yeah, brother. That's pretty fucking sweet. Tight. You cooking meth over there? It's fine if you are, you know. Just admit it. That's the worst thing about people who cook meth. They always try to hide it. Like, you know, be who you are, you know. Lol, JK. God, am I ever not fucking swirling this thing around? Keep trying, dude. You'll get it one day. We've all been there. Trying to flip a bottle into our backpack. Don't give up. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Coward. I don't think that van is supposed to be on the Kitty Trail. What is happening? He's got a hard hat on, like that means something. Put a hard hat on, honey. Yeah, get it, boy. Do a flip. Woo! Yeah! I think I scared him. I don't know, you do a flip in front of me, I'm gonna woo it. I mean, I'm not an asshole. Beautiful puppy. Back away, are we gonna get it? Yeah, what's up, buddy? Oh no, it's a stretcher. They're sitting up, which I think is a good sign. That's tight. One wheel, I want a one wheel. You're bike waving all day long. What's up, buddy? Yeah, I get the bike wave always now. It's whatever. You know, it's actually kind of lame to be excited about it. You know, it's just one of those things. He gave it to me. That's a first. People, us in the know to like play it cool and be cool and don't get that excited about it. It's whatever, you know. Can you imagine being excited about it? How embarrassing. Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get the biker wave? Are we gonna get the biker wave? Oh, boy, we got it. We got them both. Like, conduct yourself like an adult, you know? Lol. Scott, be cool. Just act like a law-abiding citizen, because you are. Give him a nod, let him know I'm definitely a criminal. Yeah, like that works. He nodded. Well, I won't pull him over. He gave me a stern nod. Go if you want to, man. That's fine. Hey, puppy. Oh, jeez. Slapping nuts on the seat, man. I used to go out laundromat when we lived in the apartments nearby because they were broken for a while. And boy, that sucked. When we finally got our own house, we had only lived in apartments that had like a shared washer and dryer. And one of my big goals was to buy a nice washer and dryer because I was so sick of sharing a bunch with a bunch of people and how much of a pain in the ass it was to do my own laundry. So that's what we did. We have these wonderful washer dryers. They send you a push notification when your clothes are done. I think if you know you're gonna appreciate something more than normal, for example, I really appreciate a washer and dryer more than maybe an average person. That's a good marker for maybe it's okay to splurge a little bit on something you know you're gonna appreciate. Maybe if I never had to share washer and dryer for years, I wouldn't appreciate having my own so much. I would probably be just fine with just some cheap washer or dryer, but I just knew it was gonna be something every time I use it. I'm like, thank God I have my own. That's all. A little tidbit. Whoa, got their own batting cage. That's fucking tight. Oh, these are nice ass houses. Whoa, oh my God, so cute. What the hell is even that? Look at that thing. What is that? Oh, that's a certainly different. Holy Jeep. That's a Jeep owner with a Jeep friend and his Jeep driving brothers over. Oh yeah! Holy moly! He's raking leaves with a pot, with the pot pen.
3 weeks later.
Oh, that's a clear face shield. My God, it's never been this clean before. Holy shit, that thing is crystal clear. I guess what we normally do, go down Main Street, see some dogs. Do what we do every day, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
What are we gonna do tomorrow night, Brian?
The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
I kind of want to ride that, see what that trailer park's all about. And you know what? If I want to do it, I just do it. Loose gravel, danger, danger. Oh, this guy's going trailer park too. Trailer park boys. Prosecutors, private property, 24-hour surveillance. No motorcycles, goddamn. Well, that, wow. I feel so targeted. Literally says no motorcycle. Don't know why, but I'll turn around. Actually, technically, I'm a scooter. Ah, cemetery. I love me a cemetery exploration. Okay, I can squeeze by this guy. You're fine. She apologized. Like, if there's anything she can do. I just think cemeteries are so strange. What's down there? Let's go see. That's a beautiful tree. Whoa, this place is big. Whoa, this is just like a maintenance shed or something. What's down this little valley? I got a bobcat back here, probably. Is buried a lot of bodies. That's a little strange. Gotta do it somehow. Wow, a couple of those were just stacks of stones. I just want to know the story behind like some tombstones and like why some are really tall and a spike. Is it just whatever you buy? It just seems like there should be some rules around what you can and can't have. I don't know. Wow, this is much bigger than I thought. Do I want people to know my last name is? I don't know, but there's a. That's weird. Let's go take a look. Hail Mary, full of grace. Well, that's one. I wonder if I explore enough cemeteries, how many I'll come across with my same last name. I mean, it's not a super rare last name. I kind of just came across a random one. Huh. I had thought like that might happen, but I didn't realize it happened so quickly and come across a tombstone with my last name, and I don't really recognize anybody. I don't recognize anybody. What a dumb thing to say. I don't know that I have any family in this area. Honestly, I don't know a lot about my family history. That's the funny thing about like family history is that it seems so significant, but like once you start living a life, it's just like sometimes things just happen to you. It just seems so arbitrary and random. Your history and where you end up living, just the smallest decisions your parents make could mean that you grow up somewhere else. I used to come here next to these trees. When I was first learning disc golf, I would come down here and I'd throw from this tree down to that tree and just try to land it close, and that was about as far as I could throw. Wow, I don't remember a lot of tombstones over here though. They're really just putting them in, huh? Well, I guess COVID has been a thing for the last couple of years. Not exactly a great thing. You have to grow your cemetery by a lot larger than you were expecting. Yikes. That's a fun subject. It's just cool. I just like seeing cemeteries. Alright, let's get out of here before I get some bad voodoo on me. St. John. Ah, yes. United Credit Union Church of Christ. Oh, it's St. Patrick's Day. They brought a green scooter out for St. Patrick's Day. What's up, buddy? You smiling at me? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I got the full vibration right now. The vibrations of the cars.
The vibrations from the cars. Ah!
There's a cool bench right there. It has a placard on it. It says the cigar bench. And every Saturday morning, there's a guy smoking a cigar. Irish pimp.
I'm about to pimp slap you. Yeah. Me lucky Clover don't lie, but me bitches do.
Totally forgot it was St. Patrick's Day. I don't typically celebrate, just religious reasons. I just don't like the color green. Well, I want to see some crazy shit, dude. Is there a parade? I feel like I am somewhere I'm not supposed to be. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Someone's yelling scooter at me. Is there a parade coming through? You want me to do a flip? That's a different guy. I broke his pick that one time.
Oh well. I busted my pick.
Yo, you got a fucking CD hanging out of your trunk. Should I grab that guy's CD off his trunk? I think it's like some weird advertising method where it's like oh no, I hope no one grabs my diss track, post it, and I blow up and become a famous rapper. Yeah, I think people see the GoPro. It probably sticks out like a sore thumb. I forget about it all the time. Hey, Jesus Christ. Creepy ass kid.
And there I was, face to face with a 6-year-old kid.
You could see that she was like hard smiling, her eyes wide open staring at me. Creepy. Oh, that thing is sweet looking. Dude, watch it. Watch it. You gotta know where it's at. Because the cat's the only cat who knows where it's at. Everybody wants to be a cat. Yeah. That thing is sweet, dude. What is this fucking hinky dink detour? I don't know what this is, but I love it. There's a bathroom over here. Reserved for the cottage. This is reserved for the cottage. Oh, slid the front tire a little bit. That would be tight if I just fucking wrecked it. Alright, what did we learn there? Don't grab the front brake on gravel. There used to be a motorcycle up here that would be chained to like a post outside. Let's see if it's still there. Yeah. Is it chained? Yeah, it's chained too. That's funny. Still there. That's dedication to being a motorcycle rider. What's up, dude? Do a trick. Dude, so much swagger. I think one day I'll have that much swagger, Dad. No, son. Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. A miniature cemetery. Let's go in. Miniature cemetery, still a cemetery. These roads are smooth like glass. This will be a quick tour. Imagine this thing is filled with nothing but one family. Like a private cemetery. Could you even imagine? Okay, that's the end of the cemetery. Thank you for coming out and looking at it with me. Let's turn around and hopefully not run over any dead people. Okay, be respectful, be respectful. Guy wearing a mask on a motorcycle. You just can't be too safe. Later, brah. That's a headstone. I almost hit 55 right there. Get some content. Get some fucking content.